Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the first vlog of 2017, so Happy New Year. Is it still early enough to say that? Not sure, but Happy New Year. I hope you had a good Christmas. Yeah, back to regular scheduling. Hello, have you come to say hi? Because I know you all missed her so much. Hi guys. So yeah, today's a Sunday. I don't really have many plans for today, but I just felt like vlogging because it's been a while. Look how purple and amazing this looks. Darren went to the gym and got this for me, so I got a gym smoothie without even having to go. I very shamefully still have my Christmas tree up because my thinking was, oh, I'll save it till the weekend and we'll do it, and it's still there on Sunday. I think we were supposed to take it down on Wednesday, so it's probably really bad luck now, but I haven't turned it on. Bless you. I haven't turned it on. Even though I really want to, because I love a Christmas tree. I wish I could keep up all year round. We're also going to see La La Land later, which I'm so excited for. I've literally seen the trailer about 100 times and I can't wait. The smoothie is so good. What are you doing up there? Okay. I don't know if I showed you this, but we also got some more of the Polaroids that I printed off in December, strung up on this little string with these really cute little paperclip things. We got one of Moon in the bath, looking like a little wet rat. It's me, Moon and Nala, me and Darren, Moon on the beach, and Moon and Darren on the beach. Because, you know, they had to all be pictures of my dog. I also got to use my Rifle Paper Company calendar that I've been waiting to crack out for ages. How cute is this? It's got a little pelican on it. Pepper that egg. Like whenever I'm vlogging, I'm always eating eggs Benedict. Oh, this isn't actually eggs Benedict because it's not got meat in it. So it's eggs, what's it called?
Royale.
Not eggs Royale, that's salmon. Eggs Florentine, that is what this is, because they have spinach instead of bacon. It's very tasty. I love how you're still carrying my bags for me. Thanks, babe.
Or Kevin pouring that bucket of chilli on the floor.
I'm just walking back home talking about the office. Is anybody else really sad that the Christmas cups are gone from all the cafes? I'm sad. We're taking everything out of this cupboard. That's not for you to go inside. My bookshelf's in a mess. My prints on the floor. Oh my god, where have they come from? Well, I need 3 different green coats, clearly. What is this one? That's so old. Don't know if I've ever shown you inside this cupboard before. So here's a little cupboard under the stairs tour. No Harry Potter here. It's a complete mess. We have this shelf. I think this is from IKEA, which is supposed to be for our towels and blankets and sheets and things. This is not very organised. And it actually goes back really far. There's a mulberry bag in here. Hello. An entire bag full of your coats. Look at this. Oh my god, she has more coats than I do. Oh, look at this. This was Moon's first bed. She used to fit just here, and that was it. And now, now she's huge. We're back home now. We just had a little wander around town, had some brunch, and I decided to get my ear pierced. Wasn't planning on it, but I walked past and saw somebody getting their ear pierced, and I thought, I want to get mine pierced too. So I got my 3rd hole. I don't know if you can see it very well in here. I'm gonna have to get really close. I got my 3rd hole done, so I already had these 2. And ow, I just knocked it out. Don't touch it, don't do that. And yeah, then this one, which is such a sweet, tiny little piercing. I really like very dainty, small things, especially when it comes to earrings and jewelry. So yeah, I managed to find this really sweet little daisy, and they pierced it for me with that. So I'm really, really happy. I only got the one side done, so I still have 2 on this side because I wanted them to be a bit uneven. But if you watched my what I got for Christmas video, Darren got me this beautiful little moon stud from Masoma, who actually, if you're wondering, these are also from Masoma and these are from ASOS. But yeah, he got me this beautiful little stud and I really wanted to have it and just wear it all the time. So when this one heals, I think I'm going to switch it out and put that one in. But I still really, really love this little daisy. It's like throbbing now. It didn't hurt at the time, and it still doesn't really hurt, but it's just, it's big and red and throbby. And also I feel really lopsided because I only have the one side done. But I really like it. So yeah, that was my spontaneous Sunday afternoon trip. Getting my ear pierced. So yeah, I'm sitting on the floor now because I have all this to organise. I have to clear out all these boxes of old baubles and Christmas lights that don't work. Dog obviously has to go in the bin as well. I think I might keep these pink ones, but I've got a load of gold ones that I don't use. So many old Christmas cards. I'm just a Christmas decoration hoarder. I can't throw out Christmas cards though. I just love them. Look at this one. I think this is from 2 years ago. It says Santa Claus and it's got lobster on it. What do you all do with your old Christmas cards and decorations and things? Because I'm seriously running out of space in this house. Why are you sitting right now? What is this? Hello? Hello? Are you sleepy? Okay, I'll leave you alone. Going to see La La Land. I'm so excited.
Come on. Out the way.
Road rage. The big question is though, what cinema snacks are we gonna get? Always the big question. We've got 2 minutes until the film starts and we're still in the car. We're not there yet and we haven't parked, so it's not looking good for popcorn. Always when we're running late, things like this happen. Which is pretty much every single day because we're late every single day. That's mine. Thank you. Look at the fog. You have no idea how badly I want to swing around these lampposts, having just watched that film. Sit in a corner and sob. Oh dear, everything's left my face by now. I loved La La Land so much. I cried hysterically, I laughed hysterically. I wrapped myself around a pole, as you saw. It was so good, and we've just been listening to the soundtrack as well. I think I've literally gotten all the way through the soundtrack since being home, and we're on the second run again. It was so good. It was so good, and I can't process it in my brain right now, so I'm just gonna make dinner instead. So part of my, not really a resolution, but trying to be better in January, in the new year, is to plan out my meals properly, not plan them out in a crazy, very strict way. This is a picture of Moon and Alda, by the way. So cute. I think Moon looks like a Pokemon in this. Name the Pokemon, because she doesn't look like a real dog. But yeah, instead of doing a massive shop and then chucking everything in the fridge, I thought I would write down the things I actually planned on making. So I've got some mushroom halloumi wraps, we had some tarts that Darren made for us the other day, and then things like avocado on toast, Deliciously Ella's chili, which is one of our favourites, and just a few other things, a few other things that I know is in the fridge now because it's on the list, so I have no excuse not to make dinner and just order pizza instead. I'm doing pretty well, so yeah, I'm gonna make some wraps quickly. I've got these, what are these? I've got these, I think it's the gluten-free wraps. I don't know why I decided to buy those, but I thought they were cool because they were square. And I got some halloumi. So we're gonna make basically the thing that I order at Nando's, which is a mushroom and halloumi wrap. I really want to put some avocado in it, but yeah, they're so hard. I don't think those are actually going to be edible. No, that is rock solid. So that is my kind of take on Nando's, not really anything like Nando's. Yeah, I've closed this one up. I haven't finished doing this one yet, but I've got some lettuce, cucumber, some halloumi, and some grilled mushrooms in there as well. And then I also did like a mayonnaise-y thing. I don't really like mayonnaise, but I put some mustard and some salt and pepper and balsamic vinegar into this little yogurt pot, and it kind of makes like a sauce mayonnaise-y thing to put on it. So yeah, I wrap them up, and then I have these like beetroot and vegetable couscous thing, which just comes in a package. I'm gonna wrap this one up and eat it. Speaking of wrapping things up, I'm gonna put this vlog to an end as well because I'm still a little bit of an emotional wreck. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon for another video, and that is it for me today. Bye.